Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alicia, and if you're new here, hello. I barely post. Anyways, you should subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Today, I am just gonna be showing you guys the makeup that I got while I was gone working. So I came home to a bunch of packages, and it was a lot of eyelashes, and yeah. So I already have my base done, and I'm pretty much just gonna go right to the products that I just got. So okay, so first thing I got is this Venus palette. I have never tried lime crime makeup, so I was like, heck yeah, when they had a sale in this one, and I love purple, so oh my god, it kind of looks like someone like touched it. I doubt you'll be able to tell on the thing, but anyways, this is the colors, and I love purple, so this one is called Venus. Yep. This is by Lime Crime. The next palette I got was the ColourPop Yes Please palette. It says yes please. Yes please. And I like it because it shows the shade names on the back and in the inside. Now this one I was a little skeptic about because it did not come with like a little plastic thing. So there was color, if I can even show you, color on the top before I even could use it. But these are the colors. I actually already used this yesterday. Yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Venus palette. And yeah, for one, I am like so excited to be home. Like, you guys don't even know. We came home the day of Halloween, so that kind of sucked. Didn't really get to do anything. Why am I always just fixing my shirts in these videos? Anyways, we didn't get to do much, but I didn't really care. I was just happy to be going to. Can't tell if this is like a matte shade or. So I'm just going to be taking this like fluffy brush, Morphe brush, and I am going to take the shade Dreamy, this one up here, and I'm going to be getting my nails done, so don't worry. They look ratchet right now. Anyways, but yeah, I'm gonna zoom in. I'm just going to take this color and just put it in my crease. I'm gonna take this, just a packing brush, and I'm going to shade Bliss. This shade. Now we're gonna go back in with the first brush, and I'm gonna go in with the same shade I just packed that down in and lightly blend that out. Now with a cleaner brush, like with a clean brush, no product, I am going to just blend this a little more. another packing brush. Yeah, I'm just gonna take another packing brush, yeah. And I'm gonna take the shade Ecstasy. This shade. And I'm just going to, because I'm going to be doing a halo eye with glitter right here, I am just going to make the corners darker. Go in with the one brush that I used to do the shading, and I'm gonna mix the Ecstasy and Bliss color together just a little bit and blend that out. And then I'm going to go back in with the clean brush and start blending it out more. Now, to cut the crease, I'm going to be using my Focus, my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This tiny little concealer brush. We are going to use the shade Heavenly. Okay, so I have me zoom you in. It looks so ratchet. Anyway, once that stops wobbling, I have my first wing on. I'm gonna go do my other one for you guys. It's a little thick because, you know those days where you mess up and then you keep trying to fix it and it just keeps getting bigger? Yeah. We're having a thick wing today. Yeah, thick. Okay, so I got my eyeliner on and I'm gonna go put on some. Come back to full screen, guys. Sorry. Just look at this. Okay. So, yeah, I have my eyeliner on. I'm gonna go put on my eyelashes, but first I'm gonna talk about my eyelashes. And I know I look weird right now, but yeah. So, I forgot to film yesterday, but I already wore them. And I just want to talk about I've actually been using this code like in my description and on Instagram and everything. It's from Xoxo Lashes. I've been talking about them and they probably think, so if you're watching this, they probably think that I just wanted a pair of free lashes. No, they sent me some. Thank you very much. I'm so happy. They sent me a pair of lashes to try out and give you guys a code, so when you guys put my code in, I'm pretty sure you get like 5% off. And they're really nice and good affordable lashes, so yeah. And anyways, why do I keep saying that? Because I'm having it. Okay. It took me 2 months, you know, to come home from work and to get anything like delivered to me. So they probably think I just didn't care and I'm done and I wanted free lashes. Nope, I'm here, I'm ready to review them, and yeah. But these are my Xoxo lashes, and they're the style D15, and they sent these to me to try, and I tried them yesterday and I absolutely love them. They are so pretty and just my style. So yeah, go use my code GlamTimeElise. Yeah, I think it's _. I'll have the link in my description. Yeah, so use my code and I will love you guys forever. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. I'll be back with some lashes. Okay, now I have my eyelashes on. These are the Xoxo lashes in the style D115. I love them. So yeah, go use my code and get some coins off and try them out. Also, my hair looks so gross when it's not straightened. Anyways, now to finish the eyes, zoom back in. For the bottom lashes, we are just going to use this brush at first. It's just a flat brush, and I'm going to use the shade Dreamy under my eyes. My highlighter, I am going to use my Fenty Beauty in the Kilowatt. It's broken. Yeah, I'm going to use the shade. This shade, which is Fire Crystal. Mascara on my bottom lashes, which is just the Rocket. Oh my god, I don't have highlighter. Highlight, that's what I forgot. On my, I forgot on my cheek. Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Okay. So yeah, this is my finished look. I'm gonna go do my hair and get ready, and I'll be back to show you. And it looks good.